Hey crafty friends, Jen Cascell here. I'm back with another design team project share for Scrapdiva Designs. As always, here is her website and the info on the back. Make sure to follow that hashtag Scrapdiva Designs for some amazing inspiration. Today I'm back playing with the lemonade stand die from Scrapdiva Designs. This is the May release, and of course here is the die, 2 sheets of die. So you have this right here. This is your awning portion right here. This is your base. You've got a couple of these. They're kind of just extra pieces. You have a wheel, and then on this side you have the base of the album. You have lemonade. This goes on top of this. This is your layering portion. There are some little coin die cuts, super cute. I'm missing this handle. I'm a mess. I don't even know. But this is part of the handle, which goes right here. And then you have these 2 stripes. I think they're supposed to go here or maybe on the awning. I'm not really sure. But I'll show you how I worked it. Oh, I actually have 3 carts to show you. I really kind of wanted to show you the versatility of this die because it can be put together in a lot of different ways. So I'm going to start with this one here. And this I did with the Un Dia Especial paper collection that Erica had sent me. It is available in her shop, and I did it with this really cute birthday theme. So you'll see some of the dies over here. They're these cute animal dies. They're animal balloons, and it comes with a cat, a pig, and a bear. I gave them some party hats because, hey, this is a birthday party, right? And then I also used, this is the small mouse ear bow die. I did that twice. You'll see some extra balloons in here, and those are from the Valentine's Day cart that was released in February. And you'll just see some of the puffy stickers and die cuts from the paper collection. I used that really fun festooning. You can kind of see how I did the back a little better because it's not as layered, but I did the festooning all the way around. I added those little extras right here. I did a mix of holographic papers for the wheels and for the accents. I just thought it was really cute. Down here you're going to see a whole bunch of the die cuts from the collection, as well as puffy stickers. So stinking cute. I love it. I used a little straw right here too for my handle. But I love how this turned out, and this is open, so if you wanted to put, I've seen people put vials in there, I've seen people put glitter in there, super cute. The next way I wanted to show you how to use this die is just to leave the top off, and you've got your box right here, and I did do acetate on these panels, so it's a full box, nothing is going to pop out of it for you. And I did it in the traditional lemon theme because I really wanted to use some of those new lemonade or lemon dies that came out this month as well. These dies are so stinking cute. So this is the smaller of the shakers down here, and then you're going to see a whole bunch of the lemon slices. I did this cute little picture embellishment down here, and I made it a shaker with some mesh. You're going to see some of the leaves. They're just leaves throughout the years. This is from the leaf bundle, and then my favorite leaf is back here. Some more, I think these are from the flower pot die, but I can't be certain. And then I just did, these are flowers from the fringe flower plate die that came out this month as well. The third way you could put it together, and I decided to play a little bit. So this one opens from the bottom, and I added a little tab right here, as you can see. So this tab, you can fill it, obviously, and then when you go to open it, you're just going to bring it down and around like this. And then to close it back up, just pull your tab through the slot like that. So I was super inspired. I've been seeing all of these Halloween projects on Instagram, and I had to do one for myself. If you're wondering what paper collection this is an older Miss Kate collection. Spooky Vibes set. And this came out, I think it was last year, but it's got some pinks and oranges and purples and blacks. Super cute. So once again, you'll see some of those, the flower plate die that came out. You're going to see some more stems in here. This is from the suitcase shadow box die, some more of the flowers. I put in one of the spider bows that came out last year. You'll see some die cuts and stickers from the paper collection. This is as well from the paper collection. But I just, oh, this is so cute. I did the straw again on this one. The wheels are cut from foam as well with a cardstock layer on top. Just super fun. Love, love, love. So if you'd like to see a quick tutorial on how I put together the addition of the pull tab on the bottom of the box, stay tuned. Okay, so I have my pieces cut out for the box. What you are going to want to do with your base piece is just cut a little bit off the sides. I've done a little over an inch on each side. I didn't measure or anything. I just took a little bit off. Now you're going to want to grab this will be the back piece for it. And I'm just going to line it up like this. So I'm going to attach my base. So this part, your tab, lines up with the base like that. So I am going to add, let me see. I'm going to position it right about here. I'm going to line it up. And now I am going to grab my X-Acto knife and also my ruler. Just kind of make sure everything is lined up the way you want it. And I'm going to add a little tab for right here. So I'm going to start my cut just a little bit before where my piece ends. So I'm going to start right about here and then just bring it down. Make sure that you've got enough space in there and everything is straight. A little cut line so that this can go outside like this and hook. All right. Now I'm going to put this box together by gluing all of my pieces down in one long strip. Flip it over, and then I am going to attach these two pieces together to form my box. All right, once we have our box made, we're gonna come over to this piece, and I'm working on the side that I haven't cut down. Add a little glue to your tab. We're going to attach it to the piece that you didn't cut. I'm just gonna slide it in and line up the base. All right, so once we have it inside, we're just gonna line it up, just following that divot from the legs. And once that's attached, all you have to do is hook it into that cut piece. And there we go. We've attached it. Okay, so kids, don't be like me. I forgot to add my acetate panels to my box. And don't be like me. I was wondering why it seemed a little flimsy. Well, that would be why. So ideally, you're going to want to add your acetate panels when you have it in a strip before you've glued the box together, that last one. So you have them all lined out in a strip, add your acetate, and then you'll want to bring the box together. So now this is what we have once I have added the acetate. And while I added the acetate, I decided to lose the side panels here. So I ended up taking these tabs off the side while I was at it. I just kind of liked the way it laid when they weren't in there. So let's grab our roof, and super simple to put together. So you want one of these and you want 4 of these. I obviously cut 2 in black, 2 in pink. You'll need 11 strips total for it. So you are going to have 1 extra. I am just going to attach my roof to these 4 tabs right here. So to do that, I am going to start with 1 long tab, just so I can kind of find my center and go from there. And then once you have that base stripped down, I am going to glue all of the rest of my panels. So I have glue on all of my tabs. I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to go in through the bottom to really press it all in there. Finish my box. I am just going to add a pull tab to the center. So I used this die, and it's one of the little tiny awning strips that go on your side panel. So I've cut that out, and I am just going to cut off that tab. So you're cutting off this portion. Oh, this portion right here, just that top tab. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the front and attach it to the bottom. Just kind of finding the center of my piece. So now I have this from the back and then this from the front. So this is going to be your pull tab that will just slide underneath and pull it on through. And guys, that's it. That's our box. That's it. Super fun, super easy. And I will be back with the decorated box. So here she is, all finished. So cute. Love how that spider die, the spider bow turned out. All of these plate flowers from the die that came out this month, I am loving them. So good. That plate flower is definitely a must-have for me. As is this lemonade cart. After playing with it so many times, absolutely love it. Love the versatility of it. And if I've inspired you in any way, please feel free to use my coupon code Jen10 for 10% off your purchase at the shop. And let's just do one more look at my lemonade cart, the original. And once again, this one opens from the top. Just look at these shakers. How cute. And then we also have the birthday stand, and this one is just open. You can pop things right inside. Love it. Love it. This birthday collection is just so stinking cute. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.